Hey everyone, my name is Kim and I'm the developer advocate for Flow blockchain. Here with your weekly TLDR updates. We know there's a ton happening at Flow, so here are a few things you may have missed. First off, we hosted an AMA with Eternal. If you're a streamer or a fan of streamers, this is for you. They are a platform that collects moments from streaming history and puts them on the blockchain. This creates a whole new way to support your favorite streamer and interact as a fan. Make sure to check out the AMA to learn more. Next, some new partners joining Flow. We have Mathwallet joining Flow as a strategic ecosystem partner. They are a leading general purpose digital wallet system and they will play a key role in growing the Flow ecosystem. Method Man, the rapper, has decided to use Tango's tech to release NFTs alongside Dapper on Flow. Tical World will be a comic series from the rapper that has been making waves in the comic world. Also key to the ecosystem growth is the team of FlowVerse. They are a repository for all things Flow. If you're looking to launch a project on Flow, be sure to reach out to them. On to some drop news. nWay completely sold out their 500 legendary box Olympic NFTs in less than 24 hours. Congratulations. Next up, Kollektion launched Kevin Wu's first special edition drop of digital art inspired by the Got It music video. Buying the art also gets you access to special footage from the music video shoot. The Chicago Bulls Legacy Collection had 6 days of consecutive drops and they sold out every single day. An awesome accomplishment from the Bulls, Shopify, and Mint. If you haven't heard of Mint, they are a fully integrated suite of blockchain tools which make NFTs more accessible by helping companies and individuals launch their NFTs on-chain. As for developer updates, the Flow Faucet for the testnet got a full redesign. It's a great place to fund your accounts for any of Flow's networks, but also you could use it to create an account. Super cool. We have released the API reference docs for FCL, aka Flow Client Library API. With FCL, you can integrate any compatible wallets, authenticate any users, or query the blockchain with just as simple as one line of code. And the Flow network status page is up and stable. It will reflect the status of networks accurately and should be used as the source of truth. And just one final reminder that the mainnet 12 spork is next week on Wednesday, August 18th. That is all for this week. My name is Kim. I hope you have a great week and thanks for watching the TLDR. Bye!